Okay, good morning. Afternoon, good afternoon. Okay. Okay, thank you to Devadashini, Di Shantira, Lam Chu Hong, Lang Mei Zing, Yeo Ye Ching, Muhammad Azrin, Pauline Yuan, Pon Li Yuan, Sarah Nadira, Shazana Nazira, Chong Chiling, Tei Yi Yo, Teo Chilwan, Teo Chilwan, Liu Chilwan, and Wong Yaobing. Okay, thank you for attending the class. Okay,
Hi, teacher,
uh,
good afternoon.
huh? You?
Hi, teacher, good afternoon.
Sorry? Okay. Okay. I know. Okay, this class actually should be offline class. Okay, but last Monday I cannot do an online class, so we change to this to today lah. Okay. Good afternoon to children. Okay, thank you. Okay. First, I introduce myself. Okay. My name is Amir Saifuddin bin Muhammad Fauzi. Okay. You can call me Sir Amir, Cikgu Amir, Teacher Amir. Okay. You can call. I'm a new teacher here. Okay. As you know, I'm a new teacher here. I just got transferred from Sabah. Okay. I'm been in Sabah. Very nice to meet you, daripada sini. Okay. I've been Sabah for 17 years. Okay. This is my Oh, okay, my first school. Okay, this is my first school. Okay, I've been teach from 5, from 4, and from 3 before. So I'm teaching your class for this year lah. Okay. Um. Okay, nothing to say. Okay, that's all for me. Okay, that's all, and we can continue to our topic lah. First topic of mathematics in Form 5. Oh, before that, sorry. Before that, um, you can use. Okay, I you can use your last year exercise book. Okay, boleh guna buku yang tahun lalu. If you have your last year punya book, exercise book, you can use. Okay, you can use that. Okay. Okay. Chapter 1 variation. Okay. If you want to have a new book, okay, buku peta is okay, or normal book is okay. Dua baris is okay. Okay, adding books, okay. Okay, sorry. Chapter 1 variation. Okay. In chapter 1 variation, we have 3 subtopics. Direct variation, inverse variation, and combined variation. Okay, this is the subtopic in chapter number 1. Okay, it's actually simple. This chapter is easy actually. Okay, okay. Today we will cover this skill today. Explain the meaning of direct variation. What is direct variation? And number 2, determine the relation between two variables for direct variation. Okay, these two we will cover in today in the lesson. Okay, direct variation. Direct variation explain the relation between two variables such that when variable y increase, then variable x also increase at the same rate and vice versa. Okay, in direct variation, okay, you have two variables. Anything, you have two variables. Okay, you have first variable, and you have second one. Okay, when the first one value of first one is going up, the value of second one is also going up. This is direct variation. Okay, if the first one increase in value, the second one also increase. Okay, example, the first one is 0. Okay, then it became 5. Okay, then it changed to 5, increased to 5. The second one from 0, it also increased to 10. Okay, the first one increased, the second one also increased. This is direct variation. Okay, vice versa. Okay, if the second one decrease, nilai yang kedua jatuh, menurun, decrease, 0 to -10, example. Okay, the second one value of second one also decrease to -20. Okay, if, if first one up, second one up. If first one going down, the second one also going down. This is direct variation. Okay, this is situation which relate to direct variation. Okay, a chef need to decide the amount of ingredient to be used according to the number of serving. Okay, there are two variables here. First one is ingredient. The second one is serving. Okay? If the ingredient use increase, okay, the volume of ingredient use increase, and the number of serving also increase. This is direct variation. Okay, you have a more chicken. Okay, you have more chicken, then you can make more curry chicken lah. Okay, on the contrary, okay, if the ingredient use decrease, it's less ingredient, then the number of serving also decrease. This is the variation, simple. Okay, if you have more money, you are richer. Okay, if you have less money, you are poorer. Okay, just like that. Okay, direct variation. Okay, for direct variation, okay, for direct variation, y varies directly as x can be written as y varies with x. Okay, in sentence, we can change it to the mathematics. Okay, y is y varies. We use the symbol of variation. This is symbol of variation. Y varies directly as x. Then we put x. Okay, this is variation relation. The first step. Okay, any question in this topic, we must start with this. Okay, we must start with variation relation. Okay, this is first step. Okay, the first step very important. Okay, then from first step we move to the second step. The second step is where you move from variation relation to equation form. Okay, you change from variation relation to equation form. How to change? Simple. Y and x is unchanged, fixed. Okay, the variable are fixed, no change. Okay, only change here is the symbol. The symbol of variation. Okay, the symbol of variation, you change to symbol of equal. Okay, and you put a letter of k. Okay, a letter of k. Only k. Cannot use another letter. Cannot use x. Cannot use y. Cannot use a, b, c. Cannot use that. Only use k. Okay, you change variation symbol to equal and k. Okay, k is constant. K is constant per mala. Okay, k is constant per mala. Okay, the value is fixed, unchanged value. Okay, this first step and second step. Okay, we look for example. Okay, how to determine whether two variables are varies directly or not. Okay, example. Okay, don't think too much. The topic is simple. Okay, just follow the example. Okay, you will get the lesson lah. Toy car move from a state of rest. The distance traveled by the toy car, y. Distance is y. With time, t. As shown below. Okay, y change with time. This is time, t. This is distance, y. Okay, determine whether y varies directly as t. Okay, tentukan sama ada y berubah secara langsung dengan t. Okay, so untuk menentukan ini, okay, saya add one table. Okay, saya tambahkan satu table di sini, di bawah. Okay, tambahkan satu table di bawah. Okay, two variable include here is y and t. Okay, two variable here is y and t. Y is distance, t is time. So y divide with time. Why I divide? Okay, why I using divide? Because here, y equal to kx. Okay, I want to find a k. I want to find the value of k. So I move x to the left. X move to the left, it will become divide. Why divide? Because here is multiplication. Multiplication, move to other side, it will become the divide. So, okay, after situation. Okay, the first situation, y divide with t. Okay, y, okay, the first one, y is 14. 14 divide with t. T is 2. So 14 divided with 2 is 7. Okay, the first situation, okay, the value of k is 7. The value of constant is 7. Then we move to the second situation. Second situation, y is 28. Okay, divide with t. T is 4. So 28 divided with 4, we get also 7. Okay, also 7. The first one is 7. The second one also 7. Third situation, 42. 42, what is 42? Divide with 6. 42 divided with 6, we get 7. So, on situation 1, situation 3, 2, and situation 3, the value of k is same. The value of k is same. It is 7. Okay, because it is same, okay, we can write y varies directly as t. This is only the answer. Okay. Okay. The question is determine whether yes or no. So the answer is yes. Okay. Why yes? Because the k, okay, the value of constant is same. Okay, the value of constant k is same. So y vary directly with t. Okay, it's the first example. First example, any question? Y divided by t. Yeah, yes, one you being y divided by t. Thank you. Okay, any question? Okay. If no question, we move to the second example. Okay. Maybe you cannot understand totally. Okay, 50-50 understand. Okay, but we move. Okay, we'll move slowly. Okay, do more example. Okay, until you can understand all. Okay, second example. Okay. Okay, it is given m is equal 0.8 when n is equal to 0.125. Express m in terms of n if, okay, they have a and b. Okay, a is m varies directly as n. B, m varies directly as the cube root of n. Okay, you answer A first. Okay, so the situation is m varies directly as n. First step, okay, we must change to variation relation. Okay, we must change to variation relation. This is first step. Okay, first step, any question is this chapter, you must change to variation relation. Okay, so how to change? Got m here. So you write m varies using a symbol of variation directly as n. So you put n. Finish. Simple. Okay? The first step is simple. M varies directly as n. Just write this. M symbol of variation n. This is first step. Second step. Okay. Second step. We change to equation form. Okay. Dari bentuk ubahan kita pindah ke bentuk persamaan. Okay. Okay. How to change? Okay, macam mana nak tukar? Simple. Ada M, ada N. Kekalkan dia. Okay. Fix value of M and N. Unchained. M and N unchained. Okay. The only change here is symbol of variation. This one. Okay. The middle one. Okay. Symbol of variation. We change to the symbol of equal. Symbol of equal. And we put a letter of K. Okay. We put a letter of K. Okay. M equal to Kn. Okay. This is second step. Equation form. Okay. This is second step. First step is variation relation. Second step is expression form. Okay. I look at comment first. I continue. Asal saya rasa dekat sini lagi susah. Oh, sorry, Shazana. Okay. Okay. This second step. Okay. Any question in second step? First step and second step. Perlu saya ulang? Macam mana saya tukar first step ke second step? Perlu saya ulang? Kalau perlu saya ulang. Perlu saya ulang? Perlu diulang? Kerana it's okay? Perlu saya ulang? Okey je. Okey. So, okey, I teruskan lah. Okey. Jangan risau kalau tak faham terus. Kita perlahan-perlahan kita buat beberapa contoh. Okey. Okay, first example, okay, you cannot totally understand lah. Okay, maybe 50-50, 30-70, okay. Tapi teruskan, kita perlahan-perlahan je. Okay, kalau saya laju, kita beritahu saya lah. Okay, the first step is variation relation. Second step is equation form. Tukar kepada persamaan. Okay, third step, kita akan substitute the value. We will substitute the value of M and N. Okay. Kenapa kita substitute value? We want to find a value of K. Okay. K is constant. We must find the value of K. We cannot put K here in equation. We must find the value for K. Okay. So how to find a value of K? We have M equal to Kn. Okay. Then substitute the value of M. Okay. Where to get? You get for the question. M is 0.8. So you write 0.8. Substitute M as 0.8. You have K here. Okay, no K. And you have N. What is value of N? Apa nilai N? N is 0.125. 0.125. Okay. After substitute, it will become 0.8 equal to K. Okay. In bracket, this is multiplication, multiply 0.125. Okay. To find a value of K, okay, to find a value of K, we move 0.125 to other side, to the left side. Okay. So we have K. 0.125, move to other side. This is multiplication, multiply. When move to other side, it will become the divide. So 0.8 divided with 0.125. Okay, using calculator, 0.8 divided with 0.125. Okay, 0.8. Where's my calculator? 0.8 0.8 divided with 0.125. Answer we get K is 6.4. Okay, so continue disambung di atas. Okay. K is 6.4. Okay, this is third step. The first step here, second step here, the third step we substitute the value of the equation. We get K is 6.4. K is 6.4. Last step, the fourth step, okay, take the value of K, okay, ambil nilai K, 6.4, 6.4, okay, put back in step 2. Put back in step 2. Put back in step 2. Okay, so it means first step, second step, third step, fourth step. Okay, patah balik ke second step. Okay, second step is M equal to Kn. Okay, so value of K here is 6.4. Okay, M and N. Okay, don't put any value. Okay, don't put value for M and N. Don't substitute M with 0.8. Don't substitute N with 0.125. Okay, just list it as M and N. Okay, don't substitute the value of M and N. Okay, just substitute the value of K. Okay, K is constant. Okay, so we finish A. The first one, A. Using 4 steps. Okay, using this 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Okay. I leave it here for 2 minutes. If you have any question, 2 minutes. Okay, you can see the solution. Okay. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, any question? Okay, any question? No? Okay, no. Okay, no. Okay, saya continue. Saya sambung. Okay, saya teruskan. Oh, kehadiran saya lupa ambil. Jangan saya ambil di akhir lah. Okay, saya ambil kehadiran di akhir. Okay. Okay. We finish A. Okay, selesai A. Sekarang kita tengok B. Okay, selesaikan B. Okay, tak muat ni. B. Okay, B. Okay, using this 4 step. Okay, using menggunakan 4 langkah ini. Okay, the first step is variation relation. Kena buat yang ini dulu. Okay, macam mana nak buat? B. M. We put M. Ini first step lah. M. Okay, variance. So, variation. Okay, symbol of variation. Directly as the cube root of N. Cube root of N. Apa cube root of N? Ini adalah punca kuasa 3N. Cube root of N. Punca kuasa 3N. Cube root of N. So, I put here cube root of N. First step. First step, M factorize directly as the cube root of n. This is first step. Okay. Next step. We move atau we change to equation form. How to change to equation form? Okay. We fix m here. Okay, no value for m. No value for cube root of n. No change here. Okay. The only change here is symbol of variation. Now, symbol of variation become equal and k. Okay, you put letter of k. Okay, k is constant, pemalah. Okay, simbol ubahan ini kita tukar kepada simbol sama dengan dan huruf k. Okay, ini second step. Okay, second step, equation form. Okay, ini bentuk persamaan sebab ada simbol sama, nama dia persamaan. Okay, simbol equal kita panggil dia equation form. Okay, second step. Third step. Okay, third step, kita akan substitute. Okay, substitute of value of m and n. Okay, tujuannya, okay, the reason is we want to find the value of k. Okay, so we substitute the value of m and n. The value of m and n. Okay, on the question, m is 0.8. 0.8. Okay, 0.8 equal to k. Okay, k have no value yet. Okay, belum ada nilai. Cube root of n. N is 0.125. 0.125. Okay, 0.8 equal to k cube root of 0.125. Okay, selesaikan ini. Okay, solve this. Okay, kita selesaikan yang ini dulu. Cube root of 0.125. Using calculator, menggunakan calculator, using scientific calculator, k is k, no value. 0.125 cube root of 0.125, you get 0.5. Okay, this is using calculator. Okay, this using calculator. Cube root of 0.125 is 0.5. 0.8 is 0.8 lah. Okay, then line k, we move 0.5 to the left side. Okay, tinggalkan k sahaja. Okay, left side become 0.8 divided with 0.5. Okay, 0.8 divided with 0.5. Using calculator, okay, 0.8 divided with 0.5 get 1.6. Okay, 0.8 bahagi dengan 0.5 dapat 1.6. 1.6. Ini nilai bagi k, pemalah, constant. Okay, sekarang value-nya is 1.6. First step, second step, third step. Okay, fourth step yang terakhir, okay, ini ada tricky sikit lah. Okay, fourth step, kita ambil balik persamaan yang asal. Okay, nombor 2, second step ni. You get equation form n equal to k cube root of n. Okay, so value of m is no change. Value of cube root of n also no change. Okay, okay, the only change here is we substitute the value of k. Okay, k now is 1.6. So we just put 1.6 here. Okay, m is equal 1.6. Okay, this is the answer. You can put a bracket here, okay, or you can leave in it as like that. Okay, Better use bracket. Better use bracket. Okay, lagi kemas. Okay, M equal to 1.6. Okay. Okay, ini answer untuk second example B. So this is second example. Okay, any question? Second example. Okay, the solution ni a bit tricky lah. Okay, tapi pelan-pelan je, pelan-pelan buat. Okay. Okay, if no question, we move to example number 3. Example 3. The extension of spring X. Variable is X, varies directly as the mass of the load W. So the two variable here is S and W hanging on the string. Okay, so we have string here. Okay, and we have load. Load. Okay, load is W, string is X. It is given the extension of spring is 3 cm. The extension of a spring, this is X, is 3 cm, X is 3, when a load of, a load is W of 200 gram is hung on the string. Okay, so when X is 3, W is 200. Okay, X is 3, W is 200. Okay, A. Express X in the term of W. Express X in the term of W. Okay, so we will look at the question first. The extension of spring X. Okay, we write X. Varies directly. Okay, put the symbol of variation. The mass of the load W. Okay, simple. This is the first step. Okay, first step, write the variation relation first. Okay, variation relation first, then change it to the equation form. Okay, form variation relation. Okay, bentuk ubahan kita tukar kepada bentuk persamaan. Okay, change to the equation. Okay, change to equation form. X is fixed, unchanged. W is unchanged. The only change is symbol of variation. Okay, symbol of variation. Symbol of variation, we change to symbol of equal. Okay, and we add a letter of K. Okay, K is constant. Okay, you cannot use any letter, just use K. Okay? Don't use A, don't use B, don't use MN. Okay, only use K. Okay? This is first step, variation relation. This is second step, equation form. Step, okay, substitute the value. Okay? The value we get from question. X is 3, W is 200. Okay, substitute. X is 3. Okay, when W is 200. Okay, just substitute the value. Okay, put in the value. Okay, X is 3, W is 200. Okay, then we want to find K. Okay, when to find K, 200 must move to the left side. Okay, move it to the other side. Okay, A, okay, it become 3 divide or 3 over 200. Why divide? Because here is multiply. Okay, it's bracket here, it is multiply, multiplication. Multiplication, okay, move to the other side, it become divide. 3 over 200. Okay, 3 over 200. Using your calculator, 3 divided with 200, the answer is 0.0125. A is 0.015. Third step. Finish third step. Okay. First step, second step, third step. Last one is, okay. Last one is ambil balik di second step. Okay. Move back to the second step. X equal to KW. Okay. Substitute the new value of K yang kamu dapat tadi. K is 0.015. Okay. Just substitute the new value of K. Okay. X is unchanged. W is unchanged. Okay. This is answer for A. Express X in term of W. Okay. Ini ada 4 step lah. Step yang pertama, okay, tukar kepada variation relation. Next step is equation form. Into equation form. Third step is substitute the value. Okay. Substitute value from the question. Okay. Solve it. Okay. Get a new value of K. Okay. Then put back value of K in equation form. Okay. So you get the answer S equal to 0.015. Itu untuk A. Itu untuk A. Okay. Any question? Apa pun tanya? Okay, nampak senang. Okay, Dofa. Okay, nampak senang kan? Okay, ya. Yeah. Sebenarnya memang senang. Okay, chapter 1 memang senang. Okay. Okay, actually topic in form 5 not too difficult lah. Okay. Okay. Form 5 punya topik less difficult. Okay, quite easy lah. Okay, B. Find the extension of spring. Find the extension of spring. Extension of spring is X. It means find the value of X when a load is W. String is X, okay. When a load of 300 is hung on the string. Okay. So the question is find the value of X when W is 300. Okay. So okay, take back the equation. X equal to 0.015 W. We want to find the value of X. Okay, we want to find the value of X when W is 300. W is 300 now. Okay, so substitute W with 300. 0.015 follow X follow. Okay, so value of X is equal to 0.015 multiplied with 300. In calculator, you get 4.5 cm. Okay, 4.5 cm. Okay, ini sambungan. Okay, continuous from A lah. Okay, if you want to answer B, you must answer A first. Okay, if your answer in A was wrong, so the B also wrong. Okay, any question for B? Simple. B is 1, 2, 3. No, okay, fine. Okay, thank you, Shazana. Thank you, Waving. Thank you. Okay, we move to okay. Conclusion. Conclusion what we have learned today. Okay. Here what we have learned today. Okay, the first skill is definition of direct variation. Okay, direct variation is okay, if you have two variables, okay, two variables, the first one and second one. Okay, if the first one going up increase, the second one also increase. And vice versa, if the first one decrease, the second one also decrease. This is direct variation. Okay, ubahan langsung. Okay. Second skill, okay, relation between two variable of direct variation. Variation relation to equation form. Okay, we have looked how to change. Okay, from situation. Okay, situation. Okay, example of y varies directly with x. Example, y varies directly with x. Then from variation relation, we change to the equation form. To equation form, okay, we just change the symbol of variation to equal. Okay, and we put the letter of k. Okay, k is constant. Y and x is unchanged lah. Okay, this is variation relation. Is equation form. First skill is find value of k. Cari nilai k. Kalau nak cari nilai k, this is first step and second step. Okay, find value of k. Okay, we move the third step. Okay, substitute the value. Okay, substitute value of y and x. Any variable that be given. Okay, substitute the value, get the value of k. Get k. Okay, get k. Then the value of k to put back in equation form. Okay, this is our lesson today. The first definition, second skill, and third skill. Okay, any question? Any question? We have about 50 more minutes. Any question? No? Okay. So far understand. Okay. If no question, okay, you don't want to ask any question, I ask a question lah. Okay. Okay. This is an exercise in your textbook, page 10. Okay. In your textbook, in page 10, self practice 1.1b. Okay. It is given that P is 32 when Q is 4. Express P in terms of Q if P varies directly as Q and P varies directly as the square root of Q. Okay, cuba buat dalam masa 5 minit lah. Okay, square root is punca kuasa 2. Square root. Ini cuba. Okay. 5 minit until 1 o'clock. Okay, the answer. Okay. You know how to start. Okay, you know how to start. Okay. So to start this, okay, to answer this, first one we're doing a first step. Okay, first step is variation relation. Okay, so the question is P, right? P, okay, varies. Put a symbol of variation directly as Q. Directly as Q. Okay, so this is a first step. P varies directly as Q. Okay, then we change from first step to second step. Okay, second step is equation form dalam bentuk persamaan. Okay, equation form, for equation form, okay, no change to P, no change to Q, okay, no change to variable. The only change is symbol of variation. Okay, the only change here is symbol of variation. Perubahannya simbol variation. Okay, simbol ubahan. Okay, it will become equal. Okay, and you add a letter of. Okay, tambahkan huruf. Okay, bagi constant. Okay, nilai pemalas. Okay, this is second step. Okay, the third step. Okay, the step, we substitute the value. Substitute the value. Third step. Okay, which value? In question. Okay, we get from question. P is 32. Okay, let's substitute. P is 32 equal to K. Okay, no value yet for K. And we have Q equal to 4. Q is equal to 4. Sorry, not 40. 4. Okay. 32 equal to K4. K multiply with 4. So, solve this. Okay, here. Okay, move number 4. 32. Okay, multiply. Okay, move to the left, move to the other side. It will become the divide. 32 divide with 4. Okay, value of K is 8. Okay, value of K is 8. This is third step. Fourth step, last step. Last step. Okay, ambil balik equation form. Okay, ambil balik equation form. P equal to KQ di second step tadi. Okay, sekarang, okay, now we substitute the value of K. Only K. Okay, substitute the value of K only. K here is 8. Okay, variable P and Q is unchanged. Okay, unknown. Okay, so the answer is P equal to 8Q. It's the first one. Okay, first one, P vary directly as Q. Okay, P. Okay, this is A. Any question for A? Okay, thank you, Muhammad Azin Shah. 88. Azin Shah, Azin Yusri. Okay, Azin Yusri Cim bin Muhammad Imran. Panjang nama. Okay, teruskan B. Teruskan B. A sudah siap. Sekarang pergi B. So B. Okay, B. Okay, B. Variance. Put a symbol of variation directly as the square root of Q. Okay, square root of Q. Kita tahu dulu ini apa square root of Q. Square root of Q is punca kuasa 2Q. Okay, we put square root of Q. Okay, this is first one, first step. B applies directly to the square root of Q. Okay, first step is done. Second step, okay, change to the equation form. Okay? Change to equation form. Okay, so P and Q, okay, is not change. The only change here is a symbol of variation. Variation here change to equal and we add a letter of K. Show a constant. K is constant. Second step. Okay? From the variation relation to equation form. Third step. This is first, second. This is first. Third step, substitute. Okay. Substitute. Which value? Ambil lagi value yang sama. Okay. P equal to 2. Q is 4. So P is 32. K, no value yet. Square root of Q. Q now is 4. Let's put 4. Okay. Of the equation 32 equal to K square root of 4. Square root of punca kuasa 2, 4. Kita dapat 2. Ini using your calculator lah. Okay, using your calculator, square root of 4 is 2. Okay. So, 2. Nak cari K. Okay, we want to find the value of K. 2. Ini multiply. Okay. This one is multiplication. Multiplication, move to the left side, move to other side. It will become divide. Okay, so 32 divided by 2, value of K is 16. Okay, value of K is 16. This is the step. The first step, last one. Okay, we take the equation form. We take equation form P square root of Q. Okay, now no change for P. Okay, and no change for square root of Q. Okay, the only change is value of K. Okay, now value of K is 16. Okay, the answer is P equal to 16 square root of Q. This is for B. Okay, number 3B. Okay. Any question? Any question? Question? Okay, no, okay. Okay. We move to the last question. Soalan yang terakhir. Okay. Okay, everything clear. Okay, thank you. Okay, we move to our last question. Okay. Ini soalan aras tinggi lah. Okay. Okay, high level of question. Hot. An object fall from a head H. Okay, so variable number 1 is H. Varies directly as the square of its time, T. On planet Q. Okay, so the variation relation is we have two variable H and T. H, okay, varies. Okay, of variation directly as the square of its time, square of T. Okay, so T square. Okay, planet Q. Planet Q is the name of planet. Okay, any planet will be okay. Okay, this is first one. Okay, we change for situation to mathematical operation. This is variation relation. H varies directly to T square. Okay, this is first step. Second step. Okay, for variation relation, we change to the equation form. change to equation form, h and t where no change. The only change is symbol. Okay, variable has no change. Okay, in second step. Okay, the only change is variable. Symbol of variation, which is the symbol of equal, and we put a letter k. K is constant. Okay, we put a letter of k. Finish. Second step. Step. Substitute. Okay, substitute. Third step is substitute. Okay, find value of k. Okay, to find a value of k, we must find value of h and t in the question. Okay, so we read the question. Okay, given that the object fall from the height of 5 meter, height of 5 meter, this is h. So the value of h is 5 in 2 seconds. So t is 2 seconds. Calculate the time taken in seconds for the object to fall from a height of 50 meter on the planet. Okay, never mind. Okay, the value here is h is 5, t is 2. So we put h is 5, okay, t is 2, 2 square. Okay, so 5 equal to k, 2 square is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so we have 5 equal to k4. Then to find a value of k, we move number 4 to the left side, to other side. It will become multiplication, move to other side, it will become divide. 5 over 4. So k value is 1. Okay, using calculator 1.2, 1.25. 1.25. Okay, I share with my calculator. 5 divided by 4. Okay, yes, 1.25. Okay, this is third step. Fourth step. Okay. Fourth step. Okay. Take the value of k. Okay. 1.25. Put back in the second step. H equal to kt square. Okay. So k now is 1.25 t square. Okay. So this is answer for fourth step. H is equal 1.25 t square. Okay. The last question. Okay. Calculate the time taken in second. Calculate the time taken in second. Maksudnya, okay, find the value of s for the object to fall from a height of 45. H is 45. Okay, find value of s when h is 45. Find value of s when h is 45. So, okay, get back the equation. H equal to 1.25 t square. Okay. Now h is 45. Okay, equal to 1.25 t square. Okay, nak cari t. We want to find a value of t. So 1.25 will move to the left. 45 divided with 1.25 equal to t square. Okay, using calculator, gunakan calculator. 45. 5 divided with 1.25, get the answer 36. Okay, answer is 36. Okay, so 36 is equal to t square. 36 is equal to t square. We want to find t. So square, okay, must move to the left. Okay, square move to the other side, it will become square root. Okay, square move to the other side, it will become square root. So T equal to square root of 36. 3 kuasa 2, 36. Okay, using calculator again, we get T is 6 second. Okay, 6 darab 6, 36. Okay, itu untuk soalan yang ke-8. Okay, question number 8. Okay, ada soalan? Soalan? Tiada, saya okay, ada soalan? Kalau tiada, saya perlu ambil ke hadiah. Okay, thank you Azrin Yusri for your response. Okay, saya ambil kehadiran dulu. Okay, daripada di sini. Okay, thank you. Chong Chiling, okay, Chung Yi, Dewa di sini, Dewa Hashini, Tiran, Long Tong, Long Mizing, Yeo Yi Jing, Muhammad Azwin Yusri, Pon Li Yuan, Nadira, Syahri Nizam, Syazana Nazira, Yi Yiyo, Teo Chilvan, Wan Tiayi, Wang Yiqian, Wang Yo Bing. Okay. Okay. Kan tiada? Kalau tiada, itu sahaja hari ini. Okay. Kita jumpa lagi untuk kelas yang seterusnya. Okay, we meet again. Okay, at the end of the class. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, thank you for your attendance. Okay, terima kasih. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Okay, thank you. Thank you.